Hi everyone, my name is Dr. David Kulla with Synergy Wellness. I'm getting a lot of calls to the office and comments. People are nervous to do the hiatal hernia maneuver on themselves. And I assure you, this technique is so safe. If you've taken medication, then you have nothing to worry about. Medication is more dangerous to take, and of course the surgery, the hiatal hernia surgery, the Nissen fundoscopic surgery, than doing the hiatal hernia maneuver. So the device that I created, the patented device, the Reflux Shield, comes with specific directions and videos in the package. So it shows you how to use it. But if you use it in the wrong place or way, you're not going to hurt yourself. You're not going to do anything. So there's no risk, no harm. It's extremely low risk. The only risk you have to worry about is if you're older than 60, 65, you might possibly have an abdominal aortic aneurysm. And you can rule that out simply with a abdominal ultrasound or a CT scan, very simply. But it's so effective and it's so safe to use. You have nothing to worry about. So we're getting calls for people like asking us, where, if we know a chiropractor or a doctor that does this technique near them. It's impossible for me to know. Everybody lives all over the place. We've got people calling from all around the world. I mean, I can't possibly know that. So the simplest way is to use the Reflux Shield, the device that I created. And I'm not trying to sell it here or anything. I'm just trying to explain to you that it's safe. It's so safe, it's like getting a massage to your stomach. It comes with specific directions, and you have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So 93% success rate, 30-day money-back guarantee. It costs $99, which is less than 4 months of medication of antacids or omeprazole or whatever medication you're considering, okay? So, and it's effective. It's more effective than the medication. So you're safe, you're fine to use it, I promise you. Don't hesitate to buy that, but don't look for a practitioner like crazy, or travel hours. We had a woman that was willing to drive from Atlanta, Georgia to see me, and I explained to her it's safe. Just get the Reflux Shield, and trust me, if this was about money or selling anything, I would tell her, yeah, come on in. I'll do an exam, I'll treat you, but it's gonna cost 3 times as much, 4 times as much, actually more than that with the flight and the driving and the hotel. It makes no sense. The Reflux Shield is safe and effective, and you guys will benefit from it, okay? And you can try it on your own with your fingers, okay? And check some of those other videos out I've done where you can try it yourself. And if that helps you doing it with your fingers, the Reflux Shield is even less abrasive, and you can control the depth and the strength that you're using. So I hope that helps folks, or for many of you out there that are really suffering from acid reflux, GERD, heartburn, hiatal hernia, difficulty breathing, not being able to keep food down, all of those issues, heart palpitations. I really hope that you can get the comfort that you deserve. And I would recommend not driving yourself crazy to find someone that knows how to do this technique. Just go to refluxshield.com and your problems will be solved. I developed this for a reason with years of thought into this product. So I hope it helps you. Thanks for tuning in and thanks for your support. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.